Well, hello everybody. Happy Saturday and 1st of May to you all. Today, I am being good and this is my newest, best snack practices. I hope you'll check it out and maybe you'll enjoy it too. I've got some homemade chip dip, which is 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese softened with about the same amount or a little bit more of mayo. Added some garlic powder or garlic salt and a little bit of chopped onion, and mix that up with the beater, and I added, for the pink color, just a dash of ketchup. 2 homemade deviled eggs, which are totally delicious. I've eaten most of them already. And some celery sticks for dipping into the dip. What a delightful little snack on a Saturday. Hope you enjoy. Give it a try.